Good morning, students. Welcome to Esther Global School. Today, we are going to start a new lesson in English. That is lesson number 5. Chaskit goes to school. Now, open your book to page number 45. I want everyone to open your books to page number 45. Now, this story is about a girl named Chaskit who is going to go to school, and it is the first day of her school today. So, let's see what all happens. Chaskit woke up early. Why she woke up early? Because she had to go to school. She looked out of the window. In her village of Skitpuyul in Ladakh. Underline her village name, Skitpuyul. The apricot trees were in full bloom. Now you can see the apricot tree. Two magpies had begun their day early too and were busy looking for insect to eat. Now two magpies, magpie is a name of bird. Now what they are doing? They began their day and are busy looking for insect to eat. Chaskit could hear Amale in the kitchen making tea. Now what is Amale? Word for mother, Ladakhi word for mother. In Ladakh, people call mother as Ammale. Now, what her mother was doing? Making tea. Today is going to be 9-year-old Chaskit's first day at school. She was waited a long time for this. Now what happened? How many years old is Chaskit? 9 years old, and today is her first day at school. To get to Chaskit school, you have to walk to the main road, and before the prayer wheel, take the left path that runs along a narrow stream. When you reach the poplar trees, you cross the stream by jumping over the big rocks. On the other side, a short walk up a slope takes you to school. Now, this is the way to go to Chaskit school. All the children in Chaskit's village walk to school every day. But so far, Chaskit has not been able to go with them. Now, what happened? All the students every day they walk and go to the school, but till now Chaskit has not been able to go with them, and today is her first day when she is going to go to school. Chaskit cannot walk. She has a disability. Now what happened? She cannot walk. Abbale had first taken her to the village Amchi and then to the doctor in Leh. Now what do you mean by Abbale? It is Ladakhi word for father, and Amchi Ladakhi word for doctor. So what happens? Her father first took her to the village doctor and then to the doctors in the Leh. But no amount of medicine had helped her walk. Now what happened? No medicine could help her to walk. Whenever Chaskit had felt sad that she could not do many things as easily as her brother, Stopdan, Abbale would say, now what do you mean Abbale? Father. Her father would say, that does not matter. You can stitch and draw better than anyone. So whenever she used to feel sad that she cannot walk, she cannot be like her brother, so what her father used to say, that it is not important that you cannot walk, but the main thing is you can stitch and draw better than anyone. At first, Chaskit would sit at the kitchen window every day. Then one day, Abbale bought home a wheelchair. Now what happened? First she used to sit at the kitchen window, but one day her father brought home a wheelchair. Chaskit was excited about pushing herself around in it. Now I will be able to go wherever I want, she said. Even Stoban thought the chair looked like a lot of fun. So, what happened? Chaskit thought, now I can move wherever I want. I can go by myself. And even her brother thought that the chair was so funny and he will enjoy with the chair. Slowly, Chaskit learned to use her wheelchair. She would sit outside her home every evening and watch the children running from school and the people getting off the evening bus from Leh. Now, what she used to do? She used to sit on the chair outside her home and watch children returning from school, people coming into buses from Leh. One evening, when Chaskit was sitting outside with her grandfather, a young boy came up to them. Julie, my name is Abdul. Now, what do you mean by Julie? Like we say hello, hi. So, in Ladakh, people say Julie. The bus driver asked me to give this to you, he said, handing over a letter to Mimile. Now, what do you mean by Mimile? Ladakhi word for grandfather. I am in class 6. Why don't you come to school? Abdul asked Chaskit. My wheelchair cannot go over the uneven path to school. Uneven means not proper path. Nor I can cross the stream in it. It would be very difficult for my parents to carry me to school and back every day. That's why I have never been to school, replied Chaskit. Now, what she says, I cannot go on uneven path and even I cannot cross the stream with the help of this wheelchair. It is very difficult for my parents to carry me to school and back to home. That's why I never go to school. But would you like to come? Asked Abdul. Of course, my younger brother talks of school all the time. I want to study, make friends, wear a uniform, and even write exams. Do you know my dream is to carry a school bag? Now, what Chaskit says that yes, always my brother talks about school. Even I want to study, make friends, wear uniform, and my dream is to carry school bag. Enough, said Mimile. You know you cannot go to school, Chaskit. Stop dreaming, he said as he walked away. Now, who is Mimile? Her grandfather. What he said? You know you cannot go to school. Then just stop dreaming. It makes my parents very happy to see my brother do well in school. I too want to learn. Do you understand? Asked Chaskit tearfully. Now, what happens? She says that every time my brother does well in the school, my parents feel happy. Even I also want to learn. Asked Chaskit. So, what she said to Abdul, do you understand? And she had tears in her eyes. Yes, I do, Chaskit. I must go now, but I will see you soon. Julie, said Abdul. So, what Abdul said? Yes, I can understand, but I'll meet you later. Now, what will happen next? Will Chaskit be able to go to school or no? This we'll see in our next class. Okay, everyone? Bye. Take care.